Hey guys, boy Baby Dro. Today we are here at Sloomoo, and we're here with my best friend Bentley. Hi. Let's go. You can already see it looks so cool. Oh.
Hello. How you guys doing?
Hi.
Ray, we're here to make some slime.
Awesome. Welcome aboard. You guys.
Yep. That's exactly where you get your photo. So cool.
Okay, y'all got your slime name?
They're ready.
All right.
There's slime right here.
Oh, that's my slingshot slime. Slingshot slime. Slingshot slime. All right. So I don't know if y'all heard everything I just said in this, so I'll repeat it again. Yes, slingshot's there. All these different slimes right here. Descriptions are right there. Descriptions. Then people tell them what you want, and I'm gonna give everybody a slime ball. Alright, hold on to that. Hold on to that. It's like blue purple.
It smells like oranges. It smells so good.
I know your hands are kind of full, but I got you a slime ball too.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll just hold this for you.
You good.
Oh! That is so squishy. Why is it so squishy?
Oh, so you've been there, done that. Gotcha. Understood. Okay.
Let's go. Mom, smell it. It smells super good.
It smells like bubble gum.
Remember how to make the bubble?
Yes, I got the bubble. I got one bubble. Oh, it feels like slimy bubble gum.
Bruh.
It's so hard to punch. Damn.
It does smell a little weird.
Oh, this way. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, I got slime on me. Oh, it smells like it smells weird. It smells like rotten mac and cheese. Smell it. I don't want to smell that. It smells like.
So that is not rotten mac and cheese. Oh, it feels like rotten mac and cheese. Why does it feel like I don't like this one? Y'all like this one?
No. I like it.
Wait, this smells like cake or something. I like the smooth ones.
Look, this is the
That doesn't smell good though.
Oh my god.
Oh, I like the sand one. I like the sand
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say, everything gets in the way.
I got hurt.
I'm the one who will stay. Oh.
pretty good. If you're out there, you're having a massage.
Feel like a massage?
Kind of.
Do you recommend that kids try the slime?
Yep. Kind of feels like Nickelodeon slime, but
Cloud cream. Which one you getting? What texture would you like, sweet?
do you have any mini containers now?
They have those at retail.
I'll take butter.
Butter? Okay, for butter, you're going to get your color from over here. What color do you want? And the colors that we have are purple, dark pink, light pink.
Black?
We don't have black, but we do have yellow, peach, orange, and red.
I'll take red.
Red. See, and mom, what texture would you like? Okay. Now you guys, you're gonna step over to the flower wall. At the flower wall, please do not take them off the wall. Just only smell it like a flower. When you know what scent you would like, you're gonna step over to the teal wall. And my coworker is, come on back, you guys. You have to smell what smell you want with yours, Dro.
I'll choose bubblegum. Bubblegum.
You picked popcorn? Wow, that was fast. And now what? We gotta mix it? Oh,
I'm gonna do cotton candy.
we gotta mix it. You gotta mix the smell in.
Okay, we gotta mix the smell in. That's already starting to smell like popcorn.
I can't believe you got popcorn.
Why?
Because that's such a weird flavor.
It's such a good flavor.
What flavor did you get, Bentley?
Ocean breeze.
Wow.
Ooh, I like the aqua.
Which one are you getting? The one on the bottom, Bentley? That is really pretty.
I'm gonna keep looking.
I'll take yellow.
Yellow, neon, or
This one, the Mika.
neon or regular. So this is gonna be a pale yellow, okay?
Okay.
For you?
No.
Neon blue, since we're getting aqua.
Stop touching my color.
You guys have to come check out Sloomoo Institute in every city that's nearby.
10 out of 10,
10 out of
rating.
Probably like a 9.5.
Okay, Dro.
11 out of 10.
Oh. Choose 3 charms, it says. Wow.
Mommy, I'm gonna do 9,
Oh yeah, because this is popcorn.
71 with 91.
There's so many more though. Look, there's an Oreo cookie over here.
It's 71. That's all I need. That's all I want.
Which one?
I'll take 71, 9, and 24.
9 and 24.
Is that right? That's right.
Here you go.
70. Popcorn. I got the popcorn with the popcorn smell.
Wow. Oh, I'm gonna get some for Lexi. Look at that. You should have got the avocado.
Guys, let's go see the house, guys. Oh wow. Here.
We are here, and look who we see. It's Bentley on the cover of Simply Bookin'. All right, y'all. You ready? Thank you.
Thank you.
Walking out of Sloomoo. Did y'all have a day or did y'all have a day?
We had a day. We had both.
I can't believe you made me buy so much slime.
How much? I got 2 bowl of slime.
$160 in slime.
Alright guys, make sure you guys don't forget, make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up right there. So it's the wrap on the Baby Dro Show. And it's a slimy day.